Hello everybody, O-Town F-150 here. Well, if you can take a guess what's missing from this truck, well, I think you already know. You might be asking, what the fuck happened to that fucking toolbox? Well, I'll tell you what happened to that toolbox. One day I was with a buddy of mine, and I was doing a scrap load, and I dropped my keys into the box, and I didn't realize that the cylinder was locked, and well, I accidentally shut the lid. And so I had to destroy the box, had to cut a hole in the top of it to get my keys out. I could have called the locksmith, but it was getting late at night, and I was getting real fucking pissed off with things, and well, that's just the way life went. Shit happens, and so there you go. And well, the next day with the scrap load, I ended up getting rid of the toolbox. So there you go. She's done. She's at the dump, or as my buddy on YouTube, Zip Ties and Bias Supplies, would say, she gone. She's back at the dump. They came, they crushed it. She gone. So that's what happened to my toolbox. And no, I'm not getting any more. No more toolboxes. I don't want to make that same mistake again. So I'm back to having an open bed. Oh, nice little blanket there. And I can actually see out the back window through that safety rack there. So, in other words, back to having the whole 6.5 feet. Have a good day, viewers and subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, click subscribe below, and don't forget to ring that bell.